Welcome back, guys, to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show us, I'll be teaching us on how to design a church flyer. But without wasting our time, I have a free gift for us at the end of this video. So if you want that free gift, please don't forget to watch the video to the end so that you can get what I want to give you. Without wasting our time, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is create on this, create new. Click on this create new. Then we select our 5 inches by 5 inches. Then hit create, or before that, let us try and change the name church flyer. Let's change the name. Our text church flyer. You can see it. Hit create. So this is it. These are the file we are going to be using. So I'll be dropping the link of this file down. So next thing you're going to do, I'll just drag this image. I'll drag it to our file. I'll close it. We are not using it again, so this is what we get. So I'll try to rotate it. Let me zoom out so that we can see what we are doing. Try to rotate it. Just want to say thank you, guys, for being there, for always coming to the channel. Anytime you see a notification, you guys always turn up. You don't know how much I love you. I love you guys. So please don't forget, let's keep supporting each other. So I'll come to camera raw filter. Just want to darken the image. It's kind of too bright, so go to my basics, then go to dark black, increase it. Then shadow, decrease shadow 2, and increase the contrast a little bit. It's okay. So this is what it will give. Then I'll go to my filter, then come to my blur, Gaussian blur, and I'll blur it. So it's okay. So now I notice that I need to turn it upside. I need to turn it. So this is what I'll get. Is what I'll get, like this. Yeah, something like this. So don't worry, you might be thinking, what is this guy doing? Don't worry, you soon get what I'm trying to do soon. So let me just rotate like this. Yeah, I think this is the best. Yeah, something like this. Wow, I love it. So it's okay. Next thing I'm going to do, I'll come to this texture here, this image here. So I'll just drag it inside our design. So I'll reduce it. It's too big. Don't mind the background yet. You can still work on it. To give you the best. But let's just try and get all this first. This is, I think it's kind of too big. Let me reduce it a little bit. Yeah, this is fine. Then I'll add layer max to it. Then I'll press B on my keyboard. I'll just brush around. It's not bringing out, so I need to change the font color. So I'll just brush around like this. So I'll go to image, adjustment, select. You need to select the image adjustment. Select this image adjustment, then black and white. Always convert it to black and white. If you want to change the blend option, then you just look for a better way to play with the blend option. So soft light or overlay. I think soft light is much more better. Give us this. Wow, beautiful. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll come to this light, then I'll drag it in, I'll close it. You can see, I'll go to my filter, camera raw filter. I just want to boost the image, the light a little bit, increase the contrast, then reduce the black, then increase the vibrance so that the image can be boosted. So I'll increase it like this, like so. So I get something like this. It's okay. think it's kind of too big. Yeah. Then I'll turn around. Yes, I think this is perfect. Hit OK. Do the same thing. Create a layer mask to it. Then B again. So I'll just brush around this place. Then I'll change to same soft light. So this is how I get this. This is how I get this. So the next thing we are going to do is to add another effect, which is this our building here. So I'll drag it inside, I'll close. Remember the step again. Close. Just convert to black and white. Hit OK. Hit OK, then create a layer mask. Press B. Then brush around any unnecessary space, accessory point, then soft light. It's not coming out because I don't want it to come outside. Well, I just want a small feel of it so that it will not look somehow. So the next thing we are going to do is our texture. Drag our texture in. So we drag our texture in, we change it to soft light. That will reduce the opacity. You can see. Let me zoom in so that we can see what we are trying to do. You can see it. See. So now I want to play with this background so that you can see that anyhow we want to do it. Can just select it. So you can see if I like, I select something like this. If I like, I select something like this. If I like, you can see, you can just try and play around it. Yes, if I like, I select something like this. If I like, I select something like this. So you can just try and play around your background to give you the kind of feel you want. Sure you get. Yeah, so that's the main reason for this tutorial. Just I want to teach us on how to manipulate background. That's one of the main reasons I'm doing this tutorial. So you can use one background for even 10 designs and nobody will know. Just depend on how you're able to manipulate the background. So not wasting our time, let me hit OK. So still go back to the same thing. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start with our write-up, or let's wait. Later I'll bring out this one. Let's start with our write-up. Let me start with this. I'll drag it inside, then I'll remove the white background around it. Just click on this, cut. So you can still see some empty space. So I'll just click on it again. I'll still Ctrl X. Yeah, that's the fastest way to do it. So it look rough, but when you zoom out, you will not see it very. So I'll drag this, take this one down. So this is where our logo will be on. So you can just put your logo here. So the next thing, I'll come to my Word, copy this text, Ctrl C, then go back to Photoshop, paste, Ctrl V. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be using just 2 fonts. So I'll drag it because I'm maintaining the same font. I'll drag it. So please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please, you can help me to do that, please, so that this video can go viral, can go far, so that people will be able to see it far and near. And please don't forget to share. So the next thing I'm going to do is our date, time, and venue. So I just draw this. I'll be doing this one at the last, so that we can understand it very well. So our date, time, and venue. Please, let's try and concentrate in this place, on this area. So the next thing, I'll go to my blend option, open my blend option. The first thing I'm going to do, I'll change the gradient. I'll look for a better color. I think this is okay. So if you don't know how to do it, just double click this place, take a darker part of it. Okay, let me see how it goes. So I think I love it, but I don't like the way this thing is. Okay, let me reverse so we can see the feel this darker part. And so the next thing I'm going to do, I'll enter this inner glooming. The secret of this, select color that match in this place, that match this place, but it should be the lighter part of it. So I'll select this color already. The reason why it's not showing because it's on screen, so I'll change to normal. Inner glooming. Okay, you can see how it is, but always standing. Let's go. I'll change the color to what? This color here, the brighter part of it. You can see, so you can see the effect now. So you can see the effect. So that's the secret. That's the secret. So you hit OK. Hit OK. But before that, you can still increase the size if you wish. You can reduce the size. So I think this size is okay. The opacity size too much. I'll just use this. Then the next thing is drop shadow. When I drop shadow, just increase it a little bit. Increase the size. You may not even see the effect, but just add it. So let me zoom out now so that you see. So instead of you just using normal gradients on this design, so it's better you use inner glooming so that it can add more effect to it. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll start with my text. Come to this place, which is my date. Ctrl C, go to this place, I'll paste it. Ctrl V. So I'll just break the text apart. Saturday, 27th and 23rd March. So Ctrl A, I'll highlight it, then left alignment. Then the spacing in between so much, so I'll just reduce the spacing to 0. So it will give us something like this. So I can just change the font to 8. 8 is much, so let me use 6. So this is the spacing is too much, so I'll just reduce the spacing. Can just use 6. Yeah, is 6 okay? This tell me in this tell me, or maybe let's use 5.5.5. It's okay. So I'll duplicate it. I'll duplicate by holding Alt. So I'll come to our venue, Ctrl C, go back, T on your keyboard, Ctrl V, Ctrl A, Ctrl V. So I'll be breaking the text apart now, like this. Yeah. So it will give us something like this. I'll Ctrl A, selector, then central alignment. So the next thing is our date, our time, sorry, Ctrl C. I'll duplicate. Then I'll paste it, Ctrl V. So I'm going to break it into 3, 2. And then the last one, 3. Then Ctrl A, then right alignment. Sorry. What is alignment? Alignment. So you can see. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll just select the 3 of them. I'll select the 3 of them. Then if I select the 3 of them, I'll just click here. It will align itself automatically, and I can just increase it. You can see, I can just increase it. So then the next thing I'm going to do, I'll select this, then I'll group them so that our work will not look dirty. Just time, rename it to time. It's okay. Then I'll group our background too. Ctrl D. Then you can just change it to background. Oh, sorry. background. It's okay. So let's check our work. The next thing we are going to do is the main text. So this is a 3D text we are going to be using, effects we are going to be using. So don't worry, you can just check the description. You'll see the link on for it. I've already dropped it for free. So let me just use this text. The font name is Evil Empire Operation P Operation Jericho. It's okay. The alignment. Let me just reduce the font first. Let's reduce the font. Like so. It's a web program. If you're in London, you can attend. You can check out, or if you're in London or USA, you can check out the description or the flyer. On the flyer, you will see the name, the venue. So if you are my fans and you want to attend, please do well to follow the program, okay? To go for the program. It's going to be like 6 hours program. Wow. I wish I'm in USA. I would have attended so that I can set myself on fire. Okay, so this is it. Then you press Ctrl X after you finish your arrangement. You press Ctrl X. You can see it's loading. Ctrl X means save. So you come to our text. The 3D file is kind of heavy. So this is it. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'll hide the text, the additional text. Shout out to the owner of this. Shout out to you. So I'll hide this additional text and I'll hide the badge, which is this cycle at the down. So I'll hide the background too. If I hide the background, so I'll press Ctrl Shift S to save as. Then I'll change it to PNG. I already dropped a lot of video on this, how to do this, because of people that your system is kind of doesn't have the energy. So you can see. So I'll just convert it to PNG file. Is where the file is. Then I'll save. Then I'll close it. I don't need to save or close this one too. So I'll go to the file where my file is. So I'll just bring it down to this place. So that's how we get this. So get this like this. So you can just align everything. So the next thing I'm going to do, you just change the color of this. The white is not coming out, so I think black will be better. So I change to black. Yeah, you can see how it is. So I see that my text, they are not aligned. So I'll select this, and this. Then I'll just align them. So you can see they are now aligned. Everything is now aligned at the center. So the last but not the least is the effect. So you just want to add 1 or 2 effects on it. So I'll create a new layer mask, then press B on my keyboard. Then I'll change this color to yellow. Yeah. Then splash it. You can see. Or I can just select color from this list. So anyone you want. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'll change the blending mode to screen. So I'll still do the same thing, create a new layer mask. But this one I'm going to be using red. Press B, then splash on it still. So I'll change the color to screen, then I'll mix it together. So I'll select these two, duplicate it so as this place. So I'll now increase it like this. So The next thing, I'll still duplicate it here. But by this time, I'll reduce it. So I can bring out this our light effect. So I'll reduce it like this. So I'll hit enter. So I can still duplicate it here. But by this time, I'll reduce the opacity. You can see I'll reduce opacity to this. Then the next thing, I'm still going to reduce again. So I'll still reduce the opacity to like 30. So, but I'll reduce this one by this time. So this is what it gives us. So the last but not the least is just to press Ctrl Shift Alt E. So I'll go to filter camera raw. The camera raw, then just try to work on it, play around it. Texture, you can just increase the texture a little bit, then increase this, then details, increase the sharpening a little bit, then effects, use a vibrant and some grain to it. It's okay. So these are it is. This is the former, this is the new. So this thing I want to give us, I don't know. I'm planning to give out my font for free. All my fonts, I think I have close to about 8,000 or more fonts on my system. So if you need it, just type I need it. If I can get 50 comments of I need it from us, I'll drop the font. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye bye.